Hey, this is Chris Menard. Let's go ahead and cover filtering in Microsoft Excel. And just to make sure you're at the right place, open up your folder that has your Excel 2 files in it. Double click on Unit 5. I'll go ahead and back up and do that. And then double click on this exercise called filtering. And it should say filtering up in the title bar at the top. Make sure in the bottom left, you're on the Filters 1 worksheet. Here we go. Click on the Data tab one time. Here's the Sort and Filter group. Click Filter. When you click Filter, you'll get drop-down arrows in your header row, which is row 1. Hit the drop-down arrow in E1. Take the check mark out of Select All. Check California. Click OK. Look in the bottom left corner of your monitor. You should have 7 of 35 records found. Hit the drop down in cell D1. Take the check mark out of Select All. Check San Diego and click OK. Now we're down to 4 of 35 records found. It's really easy to tell when you're using a filter because the drop down arrow becomes a funnel. If you notice that in D1 and E1. One more time, go to J1 and click. Just take the check mark out of family because we'll only have couple and family. Click OK. If you're down to 2 records, that's exactly right. To turn off your filters but still leave them enabled, just click the word clear in the Sort and Filter group. And let's do one more before we move on to the next exercise. Hit the drop down for state. Take the check mark out of Select All. Check California. Check North Carolina. And check Texas. Click OK. 20 of 35 records found. Go hit the word clear one time in the Sort and Filter group. And the last one, let's do something with numbers. Column H has purchases to date. I want to see our customers that have purchased between $6.25 and $9.75. Click the drop down in H1. Do not sit here and uncheck these boxes. Point to Number Filters and go to the word between, because I said $6.25 and $9.75. Type in $6.25. In the top box, type $9.75, click OK. I got 18 records. If you want to test it, click the funnel in H1 and sort smallest to largest. And it worked. So there is our first exercise on filters, and now I'm going to do something advanced on the next exercise. So let's get started on it.